20 Healing Anxiety Affirmations. I can't control everything, and that's okay because that isn't my job. I will not be reduced by the things that happen to me. I will not allow my worried thoughts to define me. Whatever I accomplish today is enough. I am enough. I am transforming fear into courage. I permit myself to believe in something that feels good. This is a process, and I am taking the next steps to grow into my power. I am open to the universe's blessings. I am calm, I am safe, I am capable. I am brave, I am lovable, I am accomplished. I am empowered, I am prepared, I will be okay. I will be okay, and everything will be fine. This moment is fleeting, this will pass. Soon, I'll get better. I have the power to change my emotions. I have the power to find the courage to overcome my fears. I deserve happiness, I deserve peace, I deserve success. If I set my mind to it, then I can do anything. I am in control of what I can control, my feelings, decisions, thoughts, and my life. I have found the support I need to succeed.